Hey friends, Catherine here. Today I'm going to be braiding a lanyard. For this we are going to be using a circle of cardboard with a hole cut in the middle. It doesn't matter what size, you'll see why. And then 7 notches cut in the outside because we are going to be using 6 strands of embroidery floss. You'll want to have an even number on this. That's going to make it work out. And you'll want one more notch cut into the outside of your circle of cardboard than you do for the number of strands that you have, if that makes sense. You'll want an extra notch. So if you did like 8 strands, you'd want 9 notches cut. If you did like 10 strands, you'd want 11 notches cut, that kind of thing. So we're just going to take and line up all of the ends of our embroidery floss and get it all lined up together and then tie it in a knot. And there we go, all together in a knot. And then shove that knot through the hole in the center of our cardboard and let it hang down behind. And then separate out our embroidery floss into each of those sections that we cut into the cardboard. So one for each section. There we go, if we can manage to convince it that it wants to be lined up and out of the way. And we're leaving it on the cards because that'll make it just a little bit easier to work with and means that we can determine the length later. Okay, so we've got everything lined up, knots through the back side. Now we're going to get to braiding. You've got an empty notch over here, and you're going to skip one. Actually, you know what? We'll skip 2. We'll skip 2 and take it from. So if we're going counterclockwise, we will skip 2 and take it from there and bring it over to the empty notch, and then still going counterclockwise because always go the same direction. Skip 2. And take it from there and go to the empty notch. And then skip 2. Oop. And across. Like that. And then you just keep going around in this pattern. That one came loose from its card. There we go. And hold tension on the bit at the back. You probably can't see it. Let's see if I can flip it over, but I've got the tail ends with the knot held between 2 fingers so that it stays tight, so that it continues to pull. And then just keep going. So this process might take a couple moments, and we may speed up through this part, but we'll see how that goes. Anyway, that's coming along, if you can tell by that tail there. I'm going to go ahead and braid the rest of this. We'll see how it goes. Alright, so I've been doing this for a while, and I know that I said that I was going to make a lanyard, but I'm just really tired of doing this, and I'm reminded why I didn't like doing friendship bracelets when I was a child. So I've gotten this long, which is enough to go around my wrist, and I'm just gonna stop here, and it's gonna be a friendship bracelet. So I'm gonna show you guys how to finish this off. What you do is you flip your disc over so that the lanyard slash bracelet part of it is facing upward, and you pull it through so that you've got loose ends. Then you tie a knot. Go down right at the end, trying to make sure that all of your braided parts come through and don't get caught in that knot, because then you're just wasting all that work that you did. And you just pull it off really tight and trim it up, and there you have it. One friendship bracelet, or if you do it long enough to be a lanyard, then you'd have a lanyard. But it's got this really fun, like, tiny braided pattern to it, and it's very cute, and you can wrap it around your wrist and tie it off, and you've got a friendship bracelet. That's what I did today, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, leave a thumbs up. And if you have any ideas of things that you want to see me try, definitely let me know, because I am always open to new ideas. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye!